Ganyan kahaba yung mga gap sa mga
Lagyan
kanta.
natin dito.
Hala? Manalig ka, malapit na, manalig ka.
Malapit na!
Bobs! Pupulangin to, Bobs.
Pangit naman pakinggan.
Konti-konti yun sa inyo.
Kulang yan.
Pang 2 tao lang yata ito.
Malapit na!
At carrot.
Itong gulay para maiba naman yung
Carrot.
lasa.
Na!
Ano ba ito?
Malapit
Ay, put.
ka.
A little more.
Hindi ko meron na.
What a little more?
Kain na pa ba yan?
Alin?
Yung mga manok dyan?
Manalig ka,
Naka-fry.
malapit
Parang
na.
walang intention.
Ang hirap
Andyan.
naman ito.
Hindi, ano mo lang.
Kasi,
Malapit
Baka hindi yung tanong nila, Arnie. Saan yan?
malapit na, malapit na. Malapit na, malapit na, malapit na.
Malapit.
Ano ba?
Yung buong top 10 kasama sa amin.
Malapit na. Tanong ng mga tao. Alin?
Ay, guys,
Manalig
alam niyo
ka.
mamaya na yung Kokoy kumain na kasi klase ng ni Direk.
Malapit na.
110 na.
Alin?
Hindi na ba kumain? Okay, guys, malapit na.
Hi, Direk.
Hi, Direk.
Hi, Direk.
Oh, it's the return of the comeback! The return of the comeback!
Yay! Wait, miss. Hi, po. Bango
Direk, hindi
talaga
pa
ni
nag-repeat
Bango Direk ni
ng damit.
Sila Arnie, wag na! Sila Arnie! Sila Arnie, wag na! And then there were 6. Ano ba?
Yun na nang sabi ni Miss Kitchi.
Oh,
and
for
then there
dinner
were
na rin.
6.
Or lahat-lahat.
Sige. I will talk to this time individually.
Ah, yeah? Where?
They're in the piano room. I'll listen
Okay.
to their lineup up to the end. This is divided into 2 segments. The first segment is I will discuss the songs that you will sing for Saturday and the grand finale. And then, afterwards, individually, we will meet with the stylist so we will determine how you will look this Saturday up to the grand finale. Okay.
Direk, all in the piano room?
No.
Don't you need mirrors?
Only the music part. Also, only the first portion.
Okay.
And then
Then
afterwards,
transfer to the... Then transfer to the dance hall.
no, we're transferring to the media room because
Ah,
I just
for
need
the
this one. I'm
style.
not going to the dance hall anymore.
Okay, wait.
Wow, exciting. Exciting.
How did Sen take it?
Really exciting. Hmm?
Flying colors.
Okay, good.
Akala niya siya yung pumasok. Tapos hindi pala siya.
Ano ba yung nangyari?
Opo, sabi kasi ni Miss
Hindi ko